So 137,342. So we're checking the 137,342 and a 137,343, and we want to find out what the difference is. Right. Well, the 43 is when you have a door that's not 7 foot. So,
okay.
Kawneer can do you 8-foot doors. They can do anything. So if you have a door that's straight, typical standard 7/0 height, the 137,342 is the one you want. Otherwise, you'll go with the 43 and specify the door height at the time of order.
So the 342. So I had my tech measure from the bottom to the center line, and it's 40 13/16.
Well, that's fine, but that's probably going to be the same height on every 6/8, 7/0, 8/0, 9/0, 100-foot tall door. When you're measuring off the bottom, that's going to be consistent. It's the height that grows. Or I should say, it's the dimension from the top of from that prep you measured up to the top of the door. That's the variable. So your lock height don't change just because the door height changes. If that made sense. So
yeah.
the short answer is the data provided doesn't tell us the height of the door.
What if it's just like an 83 1/8 inch tall?
What would you make that out to be in terms of a door height?
Let's see.
That's a 7-foot door.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So the 42 is the one that you would want to order. So what you're dealing with is you've got 7/0, 7 foot, 84 inch, however you want to call it. That's nominal. You know the history of the 2x4. Well, a 2x4 ain't 2x4, although it used to be.
2x4, yeah.
Yeah. So you've got a nominal, and then you got what the tape measure says, and we call that the actual. So the actual height of a 7/0 is, in the hollow metal world at least, is 83 1/8, because you've got an 1/8 inch gap at the top and then a 3/4 inch undercut. And that 3/4 plus 83 1/8 plus 1/8, that equals 84. And that is where that nominal 7-foot 7/0 or just a 7-foot tall door. So I would be very confident that you would order the 137,342.